Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone tips and tricks settings. And in today's video, I'm going to show you important button you need to turn on right now for every battery drain apps on your Android phone. This will help you to know some of the apps that are drain much more battery on your Android phone without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you turn on this particular button right here on your Android phone. Once you turn on this button, it will give you auto detection of apps that are consuming most of the battery on your Android phone that cause your Android phone battery to drain without any stress. Let me show you how. So I'm going to start all over from the beginning right here. I'm going to go ahead and close this tab right here. So next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and make sure I navigate to settings on my Android phone. And the next thing we want to do right here is to simply proceed to battery right here. And the next thing we want to do here is to go ahead, we scroll down right here. We make sure we click on battery manager. Under the battery manager, we make sure we turn on this. And with that, you get automatic alert for every drain battery apps on your Android phone. So from there, you can easily restrict them from consuming much battery on your Android phone in order to boost the lifespan of your Android phone battery. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about how to use your Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.